Hello English lovers, I welcome you in this video of India English bolega Abhiyan Best Speaker of the Week competition of the week. My dear friend, India English bolega Abhiyan, there is a great dream to change India. So I have started Best Speaker of the Week competition. So many students they wanna improve their communication skill, so they participate, they create the video. After that they send me and they participate in this competition. So I have selected one candidate. You please watch this full video, full all the participants. Few participants just I have selected. You can share your opinion. You just tell me that who is the best in the comment box. Thank you. Watch it.
First of all, thank you for giving me a chance to speak in front of all. Today's topic is Vasant Panchami. Vasant Panchami is a best festival for students. It is fantastic festival. We worship to Goddess Saraswati is the wisdom, knowledge and art. We eat sweets and sing a song and marry. Then I went to a temple. I ate khichdi bhog. Khichdi bhog was very delicious. That's enough for my side. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Chuka from Gomachirabad, and this week our topic was Vasant Panchami. You know that the Vasant Panchami is very good for every students, and we celebrate it, and I like this festival, and we can tell it Saraswati Puja, and the Saraswati Mata gives us in knowledge, and all students like it, and me too, I like it, and we eat hotchpotch in this day. Thank you, bye.
Good morning, all of you. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak such a beautiful topic. As you know, my name is Ved Pandey. Today's my topic is Vasant Panchami. Vasant Panchami is the festival of Hinduism, and we celebrate this festival as the honor of Goddess Saraswati. As we know that Goddess Saraswati Goddess Saraswati is the god of music, art, as well as dance. See, in this day we worship the goddess Saraswati to seek her blessing to for our better future. And I want to say that Goddess Saraswati uh, is the is the is the very unique god. And if you are a devotee of Goddess Saraswati, you will never fail in your life. And I want to mention that if you are working hard to do something, but something is little bit failure came in your life, so I think that is about your uh, devotee towards the god. So I recommend you to worship this day and Goddess Saraswati, so that you will get success easily. And with the help of hard work as well as karma, you will get your dream job as well. And in this day we organize puja, and we go to the temples, and we also worship our book in this day. And I and the all all the sadhu said that in this day whatever the students learn, and whatever they studied, they can get they can learn easily as compared to the others day. And in this day everybody seeks the blessing of Goddess Saraswati, and pray that in this year I'll get a job, and please give me a uh, please give me a special blessing that I will succeed in my life. And Thank you, sir, and thank you, everyone. And I want to mention you that in this day we also sing a song of Goddess Saraswati. We also chariot some mantras as well to for our better future. Thank you, everyone.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I'm also doing well. My name is Hemant Patel and today I am here to speak about something new topic. I hope you like my topic and video, so let's start. So our today's topic is Vasant Panchami and Saraswati Puja. So let's start. So in India, we celebrate different types of festival like Holi, Diwali, Navratri, Chhat Puja, Moharram, Tajia, Makar Sankranti, Ganesh Chaturthi, many more. And all those festivals we celebrate together. And this is our speciality in India. Vasant Panchami and Saraswati Puja, one of those festival. And we celebrate this festival together. So on this day, people worship Ma Saraswati, Goddess Saraswati, and we believe that Goddess Saraswati gives us knowledge and wisdom. Children, mostly student, worship their books because Goddess Saraswati gives us knowledge. We believe so. Student worship their books. Many people fly kites on this day. Special sweets are made on this day. Uh, Chopra Punjan is performed in many people's house because books are symbol of Goddess Saraswati. Many musicians worship their musical instrument because musical instruments are a symbol of Goddess Saraswati. So, musicians worship their musical instrument. If I talk about atmosphere, so atmosphere is very cool, very pretty in these days because flowers are blooming on every tree and cool wind is blowing these days, so atmosphere is very pleasant these days. Saraswati Puja is a very joyful festival and people celebrate this festival with happiness and great joy. But in other countries these days celebrate as different types of days like chocolate day, Valentine day, rose day, propose day, taddy day, and many more. And this tradition has started in India as well, and uh, we are attracting towards other countries tradition and culture, but we should not forget our culture and tradition because Indian culture and Indian tradition is the greatest tradition in the world. So we follow our culture and we should not forget our culture and tradition. So Saraswati Puja and Vasant Panchami is uh, nice festival in our country. So we celebrate this festival together and with a great joy. That's all for today from my side. I hope you like my speech. Thank you. Thank you for listening to me.